In this video tutorial, we're going to learn how to change text fonts in your PremiumPress theme. To begin, let's log into the admin area. Click on PremiumPress. Select the Design tab from the left menu and click the Logo and Fonts option. Now scroll down and the website font options can be found here. If you want to use a custom font not found in our font list, use the Disable Theme Font option and load in your own fonts with a WordPress plugin. If you found this video useful, please let us know by liking and subscribing so we can keep making new videos for you. Thank you.